Yo. Hey you guys, so I don't want to look like totally weird in public, but like this vlog is going to start a bit different. We're at the airport picking up my brother because he just come back. We're in Mobi, so at the start I would just do a short vlog, you know, for showing Mobi and sing and sing and sing. Yeah, I really love this side of the island, it's real nice. So I have like my cousin is here, and then Marla and my other cousin. We're standing up at the arrival section waiting for Raj to come, so that's what we're doing. But that's a chill. Mommy them there, but we don't know which one them gone. Like them there, some about the place. Yeah, it's hot, guys. It's so hot. See, I'm sweating. Yeah, but this face I did in the car. No lashes, no. Yeah, and I have in braids today. So that's how it. Guys, the vlog I got really short because I don't really have anything to vlog really. Yeah, but I just thought I would show you guys Mobi anyway because this side of the island is very beautiful. So yeah, dude. What are you doing? What are you doing? Say hi to vlog world. Say yo, wagwan. Time hot, guys. Yo, today really hot. But we'll just stay out wait still. Guys, so we stopped somewhere. Look at this girl. She's not being a happy camper at all, guys. Like, I just did one of the hardest things that you can do on the road, and that's feed Marla. Marla does not like to eat in public. My aunt just came and got her. I was saying, yeah, Marla doesn't eat in public for some reason or another. I don't know why, but she just doesn't eat in public. So right now we stopped at this little restaurant to get some food. Yeah, I just love this side of the island. I wish I could move. This side of the island is so peaceful and nice. I don't know, I think I'm feeling for some jerk chicken or something, so I think that's what I'm going to go get. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna buy some jerk chicken, guys. Yeah, long time I'm gonna eat jerk chicken.
What we do here is go back.
Yeah guys, it's 6:32. We just reached Old Harbour on our way going back home. So Mala's in my lap right here. We're crammed up, like from morning we are drive. I'm well tired, well hungry. Oh god, look how baby I sweat. I sweat, baby. Yeah, like when I ever sit down in the back of one 7-seater, like we're sitting in here from morning, I swear. And we're tired. So my butt hurt me now. We kind of try to figure out if we go over go eat and thing. Because we already bought food on the road at Ultimate Jet Center, set name. Fix your face, my virgin. Fix your face. This vlog was pretty regular, like totally regular. So I just wanted to show you guys my bay. That's it. I did my nails myself again. I tried a different shape for the first time. I really like it. I'm obsessed with glitter, so I had to do that. So yeah, we're just at the pharmacy getting some vitamins for Marla and my auntie gone buy soup. So yeah, slayed these nails, auntie. I love them. Like I think this is gonna be my new shape. I'm gonna know, I just love glitter. But I'm gonna close out the vlog here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Huh? Where I sit to them. Yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this vlog. You don't know what to do, hit subscribe and also thumbs up this video. Just a bit of my babe, nothing serious, you know, because all we did was go and pick up my brother up from the airport. That's it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thumbs up and also subscribe. See you guys in the next one. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Put up the peace sign. Peace. Deuces. Bye guys.